Okay, these were originally supposed to be for a special, but I decided to bust them up in some little mini episodes. This is mini grilled cheese sandwiches, an absolute perfect little snack. You want to take a baguette and you want to get these into little slices about a half an inch thick. And then, of course, you want to butter one side of the bread. I use Amish butter. I just think it tastes a little bit better. So if it's available in your area, I would get it. But just any salted butter. Don't use margarine. Margarine is garbage. And then put a half a slice of American cheese on each one of these sandwiches. I know I don't use American cheese very often, but let's be honest, it's the best for a grilled cheese. Okay, then on a griddle that's been heated to about 400 degrees, basically griddle them up. They take a couple of minutes each side, time enough to dick around and get a new video going on YouTube. I couldn't get a steam tray going for these ones because obviously I'm using the entire griddle. So I did come up with a nifty little trick where I just kind of sprayed some water around the sandwiches to create that steam to, help melt the cheese a little bit. All right, couple of minutes and we should be good. Already ready for their first flip. Okie dokie, after a couple of minutes, these babies are done. Just pull them off. And I gotta tell you, they joined the Clean Plate Club in a hurry. Everybody that I had over devoured the shit out of them. So if you're looking for a nice, fattening, quick snack for a couple of friends over, look at these. Mini grilled cheese. Done.